Hello guys, welcome to episode 10 of Kenton's Kitchen. So today we'll be doing matumbo recipe. So I'm going to boil it first so that it becomes tender. As I boil, I'm going to add some ginger, grated ginger, and bay leaves. So after washing your matumbo, you're just going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger, grated ginger. Then mix this one. Then 2 bay leaves. So this is normally to reduce the smell of the matumbo. Boil our matumbo for around 20 to 30 minutes. This is my boiled matumbo. I have some grated ginger and garlic, green pepper, 1. I have some chopped carrots, I have chopped capsicum, I have 1 diced onion, I have 2 sliced tomatoes, I have some fresh chopped coriander. I'm going to use cumin seeds, I'm going to use curry powder, turmeric, grams masala, Spanish paprika, my vegetable oil, and then soy sauce. So put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil on a pan. Then now add your matumbo and fry for 1 minute. So after frying for 1 minute, I'm going to remove this from the pan. So put this back into a sani or a bowl. So now we're going to put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil back into our pan. Then add our diced onions. So once your onions turn translucent, we are going to add our ginger and garlic. Then our green pepper. Then stir. So our onions are turning around golden brown. So once your onions turn golden brown, you're going to add your sliced tomatoes, my chopped carrots, then my chopped capsicum. So we're going to add a 1/4 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 tablespoon of curry powder, a 1/4 tablespoon of grams masala, then 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric, then 1/2 tablespoon of Spanish paprika. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce just to season. Then now I'm going to stir and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Actually it is simmered for 2 minutes while covered. So you're going to add the matumbo broth. Stir, then cover for 2 minutes. Then you're going to add our salt to taste. Now we're going to add our fried boiled matumbo. We're going to stir. And this is just going to cook for just 2 minutes because we already boiled and fried. So you won't need to do this very much. Add some more broth, just a quarter cup. Then cook for 2 minutes while covered. So guys, now our matumbo is ready. We're going to garnish it using fresh chopped coriander. now guys, our matumbo is ready. We're going to serve with the garlic and serve while hot.